it's Rowan Ravenwolf with Triple Goddess Apothecary and Reiki with another unboxing. Today I'm doing the Southern Botanical Oracle. In addition, the Southern Botanical Oracle Poisons. So we're going to start with the Southern Botanical Oracle, and this is actually a really great deck. I actually happened to take a class from Stacey Williams, and she showed her cards, and I was like, wow, I need these cards. And now I do carry them at Triple Goddess Apothecary and Reiki, and I will put the link in the description below if you are interested in these decks. So without further ado, let's unbox the Southern Botanical Oracle. And it's nice, it has a nice little drawer that you can open up and put your cards in. And look at the back, how beautiful. Sorry, I love leaves, and it's just all nature back here. All right, it comes with a nice little booklet. Goes into each of the plants. What's really nice about this is you can use these as the oracle deck, but you can also use it to learn the plants. So if you're going to use plants in your witchcraft practice, here's a great way to learn your plants also, in addition. All right, so here we go, the Southern Botanical Oracle. So that's the Southern Botanical Oracle, and they fit so nicely in the little drawer. And what you'll notice is when I'm done showing the poison deck, that fits in the drawer too. So the poison deck actually just comes in a little package, 9-card expansion, and it does match the back of the other ones. So let's take a peek at these. Now the poisons don't come with your deck. Your expansion comes like this, and then you can actually get your expansion booklet with the QR code. And here's how wonderful this is. It fits right in your little drawer, and they're all together. So that is the Southern Botanical Oracle and the Southern Botanical Oracle Poisons. This deck is carried at Triple Goddess Apothecary and Reiki. If you like this video, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe if you'd like more videos like this, and of course hit the notify button if you want to be notified next time I post a video. Have a fabulous day, merry parts, and blessed be.